I wanted to have more of an impact on patients. When you're working on projects in medical affairs, you're touching the patient on a broader spectrum. And I'm really excited to start my journey next week.
I oversee fellowship programs at the USC Mann School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. The programs are 1 or 2 years in duration. We partner with these companies to create a fellowship experience that prepares fellows for careers in the pharmaceutical industry through academic support, very practical hands-on experience at the companies, and also community with the other fellows. The thing that's great about our fellowship class is how diverse it is. We have fellows from across the nation from different backgrounds.
Being able to take my diverse experiences from Florida and bring it into a West Coast environment and talking with other people who've also come from different backgrounds as well, it's very interesting to see the commonalities we all have.
Here in California, people are much more open to innovation and creative ways of thinking.
I recently finished my first year of fellowship at Kite. This year we're gonna have a launch coming up pretty soon, and I was able to kind of like learn how they're able to make this product launch compatible. It was just a front row seat, and not that many people get to experience that.
We want people who come in with a curiosity and a openness to feedback, a willingness to learn on the way, and translate that scientific experience into a company environment.
You're the expert on the information. You're just presenting that information to someone else who doesn't know it. It's a waste of time. So how do you remove that?
Being able to work on clinical trials that can impact patient outcomes for millions of patients, not only in this country but around the world, is something that really mattered to me.
You get exposure to many aspects of industry that aren't just open to anybody. You get to see all the teams that come together to really bring these medications to market.
USC provide a framework and a support system to allow the fellows to be empowered to negotiate their own experience, to find their ambitions. Today was the first day that they've really all been together in a group, and we want them to create that cohort, create that network that will honestly be with them for their entire careers.
I wanted community where I was going, a network of people to talk to and to pull from when I need the support.
We need to be building a talent pipeline that's going to fulfill the future needs of the industry, not just in their fellowship, but also 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road. The USC Fellowship Programs will be a catalyst for your career. The fellowship will give you the structure, the rigor, a good balance between an academic support as well as the industry experience, transformative for their careers.